In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your work in Monday.com. Understanding how to access your tasks and projects efficiently is key to staying organized and managing your workload effectively. We'll keep this straightforward and to the point. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to Monday.com. This is your starting point, where you'll be able to access all the tools and features Monday.com has to offer. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page. On the login page, you'll see several options to access your Monday.com account. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google sign-in method, which is a fast and secure way to log in. Click on the Google option and then choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com login. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you might be prompted to enter your credentials at this stage, so ensure you have them handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Monday.com dashboard, where all your team's boards and projects are visible. To find your specific assignments, look for the More button on the top left panel of the page. Click this button and it will open a drop-down menu with several different options. From this drop-down menu, select My Work. This feature is particularly useful as it aggregates all the tasks and projects assigned to you across different boards. When you click on My Work, you'll be taken to a page that is dedicated to displaying everything that is relevant to you. This includes tasks, ongoing projects, and any boards that require your attention or input. It's a centralized space to keep track of what you need to do without the distraction of other unrelated tasks or projects. As you explore the My Work section, you'll notice that it's neatly organized and designed to give you a clear overview of your responsibilities. This makes it much easier to prioritize your tasks and manage your time efficiently. You can see what's due soon, update the status of your tasks, and ensure you're on track with your deadlines. Navigating this section should be intuitive, but feel free to hover over different elements to discover more features that might be useful to you. Congratulations, you now know how to view your work in Monday.com. By following these simple steps, you'll be better equipped to manage your workload and stay on top of all your assignments. Remember, organization and consistent check-ins with your My Work section can greatly improve your productivity and ensure you never miss a crucial deadline. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.